নমস্কার, আপনারা দেখছেন ডিজিটাল নলেজ বাংলা। আপনাদের স্বাগত আমাদের এই নতুন চ্যানেলে। আমরা আপনাদের কাছে তুলে ধরব নিত্য প্রয়োজনীয় দরকারি কিছু টিপস। তাই সঙ্গে থাকুন, চোখ রাখুন ডিজিটাল নলেজ বাংলায়। প্রতিনিয়ত আমাদের আপডেট পেতে অবশ্যই আমাদের সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আর বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে আমাদের সাহায্য করুন। করোনা ভয়ে আমরা প্রায় ভুলতে বসেছি অন্যান্য ব্যাধির কথা। ডায়াবেটিস হোক বা হৃদরোগ, করোনা আতঙ্ক যেন গ্রাস করেছে সবই। কিছুদিন আগেই শহর জুড়ে চলছিল ইনসুলিনের হাহাকার। সে সমস্যা খানিক মিটলেও মিলছে না বহু ওষুধ। তার উপর হৃদরোগে আক্রান্ত ব্যক্তিরাও ভুগছেন আতঙ্কে। কিন্তু আতঙ্ক নয়, সুস্থ থাকাই এখন একমাত্র লক্ষ্য। আর সুস্থ থাকবেন কিভাবে? আসুন জেনে নিই আমাদের আজকের বিশেষজ্ঞ ডক্টর দিলীপ কুমারের কাছ থেকে।
Good morning, everyone. I will be giving answers to 5 commonly asked questions nowadays, and these are: number one is how to be at home, like what are the precautions one has to take when he is at home. Second, when he is stepping out and is going outside, then what are the precautions, extra precautions. Third, how to boost and enhance the immunity. And fourth is how to deal with in this situation if someone has a hypertension, diabetes, or any chronic illness like CKD, heart disease, ischemic heart disease, liver disease. To start with, when you are staying at home, what are the precautions? So if someone has no travel history in the family, if there is no history of fever, cough, then relax, there is nothing to get panicky, and maintain your hand hygiene and normal hygiene meticulously. So you have to wash your hands regularly and maintain safe and properly hygienic practices. That's enough when you are at home. And be cheerful and optimistic. But whenever you are going out, when you are then you wear a mask and try to maintain at least 1 meter distance from adjacent person. And when you are going to shops, see that there is no crowd there, and if the crowd gets dispersed, only then you go and buy something. And again, when you come, maintain your hygienic practice, wash your hands properly, use alcohol based solution, and preferably take a bath, good bath, and similarly you again maintain normal practices. That will be enough. Third is how to boost and enhance the immunity. So there is no something like magical pill for that, but being cheerful and being optimistic gives you better health. And do some mild exercise at your home, yoga, meditation, and take healthy food. And this way you can tide over this problem, this present crisis. Finally, how to deal when someone has chronic illness like hypertension, diabetes, ischemic heart disease, CKD, liver disease. So the bottom line is continue medicines. It is not that it is lockdown, so we should not, or we may not take medicine, and there should be no confusion. You have to take your medicines as you were taking earlier. Take a good stock, because all the pharmacies are open. I can see and I can appreciate my all patients are taking medicines regularly. And check your blood sugar if you have a glucometer. Check your BP if you are if you have a BP machine, but should not be panicky. You should not be taking daily. Take your regular intervals of maybe 4 days or 5 days or weekly. Whenever whatever your symptoms, or you feel anything wrong, then you can check it. So this is all. There is no extra precaution needed for any patient who has chronic illness. He has to be cheerful. He has to be optimistic, and he has to feel that nothing wrong has happened. And staying at home is not going to give him any harmful effects. It is always beneficial for him. And as pollution level is going down, I assure you that whatever medical emergencies in cardiac conditions which we are seeing earlier, it has come down. So we all cardiologists are discussing that thankfully this pollution level has brought down the number of emergency cardiac patients, and that is not something which is my hospital or other hospital phenomenon. We appreciate this. It is a worldwide phenomenon, and across the country we have discussed with our colleagues in Delhi, South India, Maharashtra, other cardiac emergencies has become less, and there maybe less pollution, staying at home. So it's a good thing that patients are getting healthier in this way. Thank you very much. Stay at home, be cheerful, and maintain a normal life. Don't get panicky. Thank you very much.
আমাদের অনুষ্ঠান যদি আপনার ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। অনুষ্ঠান বিষয়ক কোনো মতামত থাকলে অবশ্যই আমাদের কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাতে একেবারেই ভুলবেন না।